There it is, kids. Wheelford finally has its very own bike sphere.
Awesome. Look at that.
Okay, you can try it out. Do you know how to use it? Going in at the adventure park. We just need to clear a spot for it first. What do you say, DJ? Do you want to help?
On an actual, real construction job? Yes!
It's a two-bike job with big, heavy equipment. Hey, maybe one of your friends would like to help.
Ricky? Huh? Oh, yeah, sure, I'll help.
Yeah! This is the happiest I've ever been!
Right after I try out the bike sphere. Oh, yeah! You'll be quick, right? Do I ever do anything not quick? Good point. See you there. Can't take any more fun.
Oh, I want to try.
You go first, Scootio.
Yes! Thanks, Ricky. Yeah! Hey, I bet if someone went fast enough, they could go completely upside down in here.
Really? I'm fast enough. Let me try.
Oh, wow. Is that a real, actual bike sphere? Can we try it? Can we?
I'm sure DJ can wait a bit longer. Okay, go.
Thanks, Ricky.
Once we're done, the bike sphere will go right here in the middle. Where's Ricky?
I don't know. He said he'd be quick.
DJ, can you help me with this?
It's DJ.
Ricky, this is a big job. I really need your help. I'm on my way. Great. See you in 2 ticks of the tachometer. No bike sphere for me.
Ricky, you can have a turn. Do it, Ricky. Go upside down. Nobody else is fast enough.
But I told DJ. I've got time for one quick ride. I mean, I've been waiting forever to try this, right? Whoa! Vroom! Okay, Ricky, you did it! I did it! I went completely upside down! Hey, can you stop the sphere? I'm late for helping DJ.
Wait, there are some buttons here. I bet they open an escape hatch or turn on air brakes or something. Buttons always do things. Luke, don't!
See? It did something. But Ricky's still not here.
I'm sure he'll show up any minute now. You can start getting ready.
I'm just gonna go look for him, but I'll be right back. He wouldn't let me down. He's gotta be rolling this way already.
At least I'm not stuck doing loops anymore. Maybe this isn't the best time to ask, but when you're done, can I have another turn? Luke!
All good. I own going straight now, as long as I keep going straight.
Oh, turn!
What? I can't! Guys, help me out! Oh, I'm fine. Whoa! Whoa! This isn't going straight. Whoa!
Ricky, where are you? Loop, come on!
Whoa! Here goes!
Amazing! Seriously, when is my turn?
Ricky! Ricky! Where are you? Guess I'm doing the big 2-bike job by myself. Ricky?
Hey, DJ! I really meant to show up, just like I promised, but...
How did this happen?
There was this button. Somebody pushed it. It's hard to explain.
I know what to do. There's a big pile of sand at the construction site. If you can roll the bike sphere into it, it would stop you.
But the construction site's the other way, and I can't turn around.
Wait, what if we use the statue?
How do we use a statue?
Leave it to me. Zoom cam, go! There it is, but there's too much traffic. You could roll over somebody. Red means stop! Red means stop! Everyone said we don't need a red light on the drone camera, Scootio. But I said we should get the one with the red light. How right was I? Okay, just steer straight for the statue.
Whoa! Are you sure about this?
It's your only chance to turn around.
I stopped! And I'm going again! Look out!
All right, now you're going the other way.
That's perfect. The construction site is this way.
Rev on!
Thank you, magic flying traffic light.
Hey, kids.
Have you seen Ricky?
I'm almost there! Whoa!
What was that?
This is fun! Almost there! Way! Yay!
Oh! Ricky! Hello. Oh. There's Ricky.
And the bike sphere?
It had to get rolled here sooner or later, right? I guess I took care of that for you.
Well, that's great, Ricky, but we're not ready yet. We still need you and DJ to finish the job.
What is the job?
Oh, I tell you, flatten that huge pile of sand all around the lot with this big, heavy roller here. Woohoo!
It's a big job. It might take you all day.
We have a better idea.
Sorry I didn't help earlier, DJ, but we're doing a Zoom-tastic job now!
Smart kids. I wish I'd thought of that.
All right, the lot is ready. Put it in place.
Let's finish the job.
There! That's a good day's work, DJ. Why don't you take a turn?
I think this is a 2-bike turn. Vroom!
Yippee! Wheel it in! Yeah! Hey! What's this button do?
Don't touch.
No, Luke, no way! But there are lots of new buttons!
No.
F off! Yeah!
What should we play today? I don't know.
Not sure.
Gotta be something.
Something fun!
Hey, Luke, is that your dad?
What's he doing?
I don't know.
Hey, Dad!
Huh? What? Oh, hi, Lou. You haven't seen a box, have you?
What kind of box?
Oh, you know, it's sort of box-shaped. You know, about the size of a box. You know, it looks boxy. Yeah, I must have dropped it somewhere on my route, but I don't know where.
Vroom! I'll find it. Yeah!
Well...
What? I'm good at doing things.
Yeah, you are. It's just that sometimes you can get a little sidetracked.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that won't happen this time. I'll find that box and bring it back safe and sound. Yeah.
OK, but remember 3 instructions. 1, do not open the box.
Yes.
2, bring it straight back to me.
Right.
And 3, do not stop for fun.
Got it. We'll help you, Lou. Bike buddies, go!
And don't stop for fun, Lou. Remember!
Box, box, box. Nope. Box, box. Box, box. Box, box. Hey, Lou, slow down. Why the rush? Anybody's got to find it. It's gonna be me. I found it. Or DJ. Yes. He's open a little at the end. Probably broke open when it fell. Can you see what's inside? No.
My Scoot Bops can see inside. Scoot Bops, go! What did you see, Scoot Bops?
They don't know what it is. Sorry. So, never mind.
It doesn't matter. 1, we will not open the box. 2, we will bring it straight to my dad. 3, we will not stop for fun. Unless there's a really awesome ramp or something. Or we won't stop at all. Right, that's what I meant. That's what I wasn't supposed to do. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It looks okay, right? I think it's okay. Whew. I will definitely not get distracted by fun again. Oh! I didn't do that. Whatever's in that box, I think it woke up. Okay, I think it stopped. I don't know what's in there, but I really want one. I still have to bring it to my dad, but we could open it a little. I don't think that'd be right. Oh, you're right, DJ. I made a promise to my dad. And I'm going to keep that promise, no matter how hard it is. No! No! Right now, it's really hard. What are you? Is that?
It can't be!
It is! It's an actual, for real Vroomboard. The greatest, fastest toy ever invented by anyone ever. It's out of the box. My dad's gonna think I opened it.
But you didn't!
But he doesn't know that. We need to get it back in the box. It's gone! Zoom out. We can catch it. Let's zoom out. We've got to stop it.
Nothing can stop a Vroomboard.
Grappling hook. Go! I got it! Luke, get on it and stop it! I can't hold it for long! DJ, I need a ramp!
I am a ram.
Coming around to go off the ground! This Vroomboard has been looped! Next time you catch it, can I be the one to jump on it?
Me first!
Come on! That was awesome! No! Stop having fun! Don't get sidetracked!
Luke?
It's not what you think! It's not what you think!
Huh?
It's not what you think!
What are you doing?
Follow him! Come on, Vroomboard! Stop! I can't control it! Whoa! Nothing works! Well, something has to be controlling it. Beep, beep, boop, beep, toot! What is that thing?
I don't know. I found it lying over there. Doesn't it make me look like a robot? Beep.
That's the remote controller for the Vroomboard!
It must have fallen out of the box. What's a Vroomboard?
Toot!
I don't know what's happening, but I love it!
Try not to have any fun! I'm not stopping for fun! Now we really have to stop it! Sorry, Mr. Hooper.
I know, it's not what I think.
Stop having fun! Scootio, if I get you that remote, can you make the Vroomboard stop?
It's a gadget. I'll figure it out.
Toot! Turn this way!
How do I do that? Oh, that's how I do that.
DJ, get ready to catch Toot!
I'm on it! Ricky to the rescue! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Wait for it! Grappling hook, go! Gotcha!
it again!
I can't hold it for long.
Got the remote! Woohoo!
Don't have fun. Don't have fun.
So if that goes that way, and that
I
goes
can't
up,
hold it
and
much
that's
longer.
down.
I got it. Woo! Thanks, everyone. All for one, and fights for all. I gotta get me one of these.
Loop.
Uh-oh. Here it is, Dad. Just like you asked for.
What's going on, Loop? I said, don't open the box, bring it straight to me, and don't stop for fun.
I know, and I really tried. He didn't just try, Mr. Hoopla. He did all those things.
The box fell and opened by accident.
Loop only jumped onto it so he could bring it straight to you.
He didn't have any fun at all. Well, maybe a little fun.
Oh, I guess it really wasn't what I thought. Good job, son.
Really?
Yeah, I'm proud of you. It sounds like you stuck to the job until it was finished.
I did. I really did.
And the package is still in one piece. So I can still deliver it to its rightful owner.
Bye, Vroomboard.
There we go. Delivered! It was supposed to be for your birthday next week, but since it's already open...
No way!
Now you can fly it the right way.
You all might want to stand back. I'm about to loop this thing. That wasn't looping it. I haven't looped it yet.
Okay, give me the remote. Let the expert drive.
Fantastic, Loop. I think everybody's going to love our show and tell booth.
Oh no, it's show and tell. We're showing Still Awesome, but we forgot to tell.
This tells that Still Awesome is super amazing.
Hello, kids. Oh, you're doing a fantastic job.
Thank you, Mrs. Bikely.
Thanks, Mrs. Bikely.
Check out all this stuff. Amazing. Thanks.
Selfie time!
So, what are you going to show and tell?
We've been working on it for days, but it's a secret.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Are you gonna ask what it is?
You said it's a secret.
Yeah, but it's the kind of secret that we show you right now what it is. So come on!
Prepare to be amazed. Wait, preparing. Okay, I'm prepared. I'm amazed. What?
It's a music player. When your wheels turn, it makes music. Watch.
We call it the Mega Cool Beat Blaster.
That's the best and only one of those I've ever seen.
Whoa! That's really cool! Thanks! We hope Mrs. Bikely will let us use it in gym class.
Hey, Mrs. Bikely said to come see her when we're ready.
Can you guys stay here and make sure nobody touches our Mega Cool Beat Blaster?
Zoom on!
Thanks, Ricky. Come on, DJ.
Don't worry. Nobody will touch your mega cool beat, but...
Loop! Does it look like it's on right?
I promised Scootio and DJ we wouldn't let anybody touch their gadgets.
And nobody is touching it. Nobody except for me. Come on.
Okay.
Yippee! Whoa! Yippee!
Careful, Lou. You don't want to break Scootio and DJ's gadget. Oh no! Broken. Definitely broken.
It was an accident, right? I didn't mean to break it. They'll understand. No, they won't. They're gonna be mad. Gotta go.
No, we have to tell them.
Or do we? It's okay. I know everything about gadgets. Now, the springy thing definitely goes on that metal roundy bit.
Or maybe the roundy bit attaches to the chunky thing.
That thing's not chunky. It's squarey and,
Loop. Big problem. Scootio and DJ are coming back. We have to do something. You hurry and finish fixing the gadget.
leave it to Loop. Leave it to Loop for a really, really long time.
Scootio, DJ, am I glad to see you? Isn't it a nice day? We should go for a ride back the other way, far away from your booth, and also, get a tune-up. You've got to try the new brake fluid everybody's talking about. I hear it's awesome. Come on. Who knew there were this many types of brake fluid?
Not my brake fluid.
We should really get back to our booth. No! I mean, in a minute. You used to love this ride, remember? DJ, let's ride it for old time's sake. Hop on with me.
There. Good as new. So good as new. It's not even the same gadget. One more try.
Come on, just a few more times around.
It's time to get back to our booth.
Huh? No! Wait! Did you see the lug nut booth over there? Everybody loves lug nuts. Guys!
Hey, buddies! What's going on?
Oh, it's time to show our gadget to Mrs. Spikely. No! Wait! Good. So everything's good here. Why wouldn't it be? Right?
Hey! Did you guys bump my table? It's crooked.
Sorry. I guess we did. We'd better get back to our own booth now. Bye!
Thank you for attending this year's show and tell event. There are so many exciting booths here today. But there's one very special project I'd like to share. Two of my students, Scootio and DJ, have created a wonderful gadget. So without further ado, the mega cool Beat Blaster.
You did fix it, right?
For sure.
Now let's see how this works. Oh, now, isn't that lovely?
It's not quite what I was expecting.
Mrs. Bikely! The boombox has become a boom booster!
Mrs. Bikely! Mrs. Bikely! What's gone wrong? My brake fluid again.
Sorry! We've got to do something to save Mrs. Bikely.
Bike buddies, wheel it in.
Not still awesome!
Not our booth. Mrs. Bikely is still awesome.
We need more speed, like still awesome. Bike buddies, I have an idea! Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! Time to do something about that gizmo! Scootio, Luke, can you look out for Mrs. Bikely? Yes! DJ, can you bring that board over here? Yes!
Oh, she's coming back.
Ricky to the rescue!
Oh, phew. Oh, excellent. Thank you, Ricky. That was a little more thrilling than I expected it to be. Ooh.
But our mega cool beat blaster. It nearly ruined everything. We're sorry, Mrs. Bikely. We didn't know it could do that.
Scootio, DJ, this wasn't your fault. Loop and I broke your mega cool beat blaster. We should have just told you.
Well, it's...
I think they're mad. I've never seen Scootio twitch like that.
Woohoo! Awesome!
Yeah!
Did you see how fast our mega cool beat blaster went? That was actually kind of awesome.
Way better than just playing music. We'll help you fix it, Scootio.
Yes, after you clean up this mess.
Yeah, that too. Come on, let's get this mess cleaned up and see if we can make it go even faster.
And play music at the same time.
Ah, yeah! Maybe just a little try.
No, Loop. But I just... No!